Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do polyline edit. So first, I made 5 figures here in my workspace. Let's start editing. I'm going to click edit polyline here. You can see modify, or you can just type edit. Then go to the figures that you want to edit. So here, if you click the object, an option will pop out. So first option is close. As you can see, this is an open figure. So I'm just going to say that I want to make a line here and here for it to become a closed figure. So I'm just going to type close, and then a line will connect those ends and make it a closed figure. Next is join. I'm going to type edit and then select polyline. As you can see, these two are not joined together, or they are separated. So let's join them. Just click the polyline, then click join, then select objects you want to join, this one and this one, then click join, enter, sorry, then click enter again, and see, they are now joined together. Next one is weave. As you can see, this figure here is made up of thin lines. So I'm going to make it thick, or add width to the lines. So just double click the figure and click width, then add the measurement for the thickness. Let's just say 1 here, and then we'll add thickness to the line. Next one is spline. We just double click this object, sorry, then click spline. As you can see, no more sharp edges. Oh, next one is fit. So let's make it here. Just double click the object, click fit, then see that no more sharp edges, and it turns into a more circle thing. It's like a bean. As you can see that. If you want to undo, just click the curve, and then it adds the vertices, I mean. So that's it. Thank you for watching.